In today's video, I'll show you how to add a website to Cloudflare and connect your domain so you can start managing your website settings from one place. If you're new to Cloudflare, adding your website is the first step before using features like DNS management, security tools, and performance improvements. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. From here, look for the option to add a website or domain. Next, enter your website's domain name. Make sure you type the correct domain without adding extra details like www or any page links. After entering your domain, continue to the next step. Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records and import the settings it finds. Review the DNS records carefully to make sure important services, such as your website and email, are included correctly. Once everything looks good, continue with the setup process. Cloudflare will provide new name servers that you need to update at your domain registrar. Open your domain registrar account, find the name server settings, and replace the existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. After saving the changes, return to Cloudflare and wait for the domain connection to become active. The update time can vary depending on your registrar and DNS settings. Once the setup is complete, your website will be connected to Cloudflare, and you can start managing DNS, security, and performance features from the dashboard. And that's how you add a website to Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.